The installation of the SPC floor is completed through the lock connection, so the quality of the lock is very important. At iFloor Company, we attach great importance to the quality control of our latches to ensure that each product can be fitted perfectly. Our production line is equipped with professional lock detection equipment, which can detect the structure, size and quality of the lock to ensure that each lock meets the standards and customers' needs. During the production process, each buckle will go through multiple inspections and tests. First, we use high-precision optical instruments to detect the structure and size of the lock, and adjust the equipment according to the detection results. Then, we use professional mechanical testing equipment to test the load-bearing capacity and connection performance of the lock. In the final quality inspection stage, we will randomly sample some products for installation test. We will simulate the actual installation environment to ensure that the connection performance and durability of the lock meet the standards and customer needs. In iFloor Company, we are committed to providing high-quality, reliable and durable SPC flooring products. Our lock quality control is an important guarantee to ensure product quality and customer satisfaction.